Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into cosine s squared and cosine s squared. We know that this one that is about identity, and you got number one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got du equals to negative sine x dx. Because we don't have negative in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. Next, negative will change the sign of this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about au plus b over u squared plus 1. The next one, that's about c over u plus 1 to the power of 2 and d over u plus 1. Because we have the power 2 on u, that's why we need to have au plus b. We just reduce the power from number 2 to number 1, reduced by 1. This one we have the power 2 in here. That's why we need to have two fractions about u plus 1. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 1 plus u to the power of 2. This one, it is missing about u squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u plus 1, u squared plus 1. And this one, I will put in here. Next, we need to expand this one. And this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u to the power of 3, we have a plus d. About u squared, we have 2a plus b plus c plus d. About u, we have a plus 2b plus d. About the numbers, we have b plus c plus d. Next, we need to compare coefficients. We have u, that means a plus 2b plus d equals to number 1. About the numbers, b plus c plus d equals to negative number 1. We don't have u to the power of 3 and u square. So a plus d and 2a plus b plus c plus d equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So A equals to 1 over 2, B equals to 1 over 2, C equals to negative number 1, D equals to negative 1 over 2. So we put A, B, C, D go in here. So A equals to 1 over 2, B equals to 1 over 2, C equals to negative number 1, D equals to negative 1 over 2. About this one, we need to separate. So we have 1 over 2 over u square plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u square plus 1. So the next one, we have arctan of u. The next one, we have 1 over u plus 1. And the last one, that should be like this. Next, about u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.